In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Databricks with GitHub Repos. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow by connecting these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless connection set up between Databricks and GitHub, making it easier to manage and collaborate on your projects. First, let's start by navigating to your Databricks account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your username or profile icon. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. What we're interested in is the Settings option. Go ahead and select that. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a glance over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find various tabs that allow you to configure your account settings. You'll want to click on the one labeled Linked Accounts. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to connect your Databricks account with external services like GitHub. Once you're on the Linked Accounts page, keep your eyes peeled for a section called Git Credentials. This is where you'll be able to add your GitHub credentials to Databricks, making integration possible. Look for the button that says Add Git Credential and click on it. In the window that pops up, you'll need to specify your Git provider. Since we're integrating with GitHub, select GitHub from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the option that says Link Git Account. This tells Databricks that you want to connect your account with GitHub, then click the link button to proceed. At this point, you'll be redirected to GitHub. This is a crucial step, as it allows GitHub to verify and authorize the connection with Databricks. Once you're on the GitHub authorization page, you'll see a button that says Authorize Databricks. Click on this button to grant the necessary permissions for the integration. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Databricks with GitHub. This connection will help you manage your code more efficiently, share projects with teammates, and keep everything in sync. It's a powerful way to leverage both tools to enhance your workflow. Remember, if you ever need to make changes to this integration or add more accounts, you can always revisit the Linked Accounts tab in your Databricks settings. This flexibility allows you to manage multiple GitHub accounts or switch providers if needed. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to take full advantage of the seamless integration between Databricks and GitHub. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Thanks for watching and happy coding.